Hey guys, my name is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I just wanted to unbox a few of my beauty subscriptions for you. I wanted to wait until I had all of them for the month of February, but I normally don't get my Allure box and my Sephora Play box until like the very end of the month. And I don't want to wait that long before I put this video up, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox my Ipsy bag, my Birchbox, and my BoxyCharm. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in watching, stick around. We're getting started. Okay, so the first one I'm going to unbox for you is the Ipsy Glam Bag. This was the first subscription that I signed up with, and I'm usually pretty pleased with it. You now have the option of adding stuff to your bag every month. There's $3 options, and I think there's like $12 options. I usually add a couple of $3 samples to go with my glam bag, and it just gives me a little bit of extra stuff to try. So I'll show you that stuff first. The two things that I added to my bag for this month were the Elemis Superfood Facial Wash, and that's this stuff here. And then the other item that I added was the Kokie Be Bright Illuminating Concealer, and that's this here. And both of these items were $3 a piece. The Ipsy Glam Bag will run you $10 a month. If you pay for it for an entire year up front, it's going to be $110. So you save a month's worth, basically. You get a free bag. Okay, so inside my bag, first of all, it looks like this. Super cute, for the month of February. It's got little lips on the outside. The first thing in the bag is a coconut oil and cranberry silky body butter by Pureless. I don't know how you say this, guys. I'm sure I butcher half of what I talk about on here. But that's number one. Like, I would rather get makeup, but when I get lotions and stuff, it's okay. It's something different to try, so that's cool. The second thing in my bag is from Belle in Argent, and it's a lip gloss is what it looks like. Let me pull that. Oh. The shade name is called I Love That Car, and it looks bright red. And it is bright red, so let me just show you that. I don't know if I'll be able to pull that off or not, but very pretty. Okay, the next item in my bag is a sample of, what is this? This is MAC. This is their Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in the shade NC20. The good thing about Ipsy is they do have you take like a little test to personalize your glam bag. That way they know what shade you are, if they send you foundations or powders or whatever. So that's what this looks like. It's just a little sample of their powder. So that's cool. I haven't actually tried that yet. The next product in this bag is from Pixi, and it's their Glow Tonic. Really tiny little sample. It's cute. I'm sure I will like this. I do like the Pixi products. So the next product in the bag is from Douce, I think. I don't know how you pronounce it. This looks like a liquid eyeliner, and it is. Very good. I don't really use liquid eyeliner, but I'll add that to my collection anyway, and hopefully use it one day. Okay, so that wraps up the Ipsy Glam Bag, and again, $10 for the stuff you just saw. Okay, the next beauty subscription box that I get is Birchbox. I think this was the second one that I signed up with. This one is also $10 a month. This one I usually get a pretty good mix of like hair care, skin care, makeup. It just depends. If I was going to cancel one of my beauty subscriptions, it would probably be this one first. Just because it's really hit or miss what I get. Sometimes I love it, sometimes I really don't love it. This month's box, I have a shampoo and conditioner from Nexxus. This is the Therapy shampoo and the Humectress conditioner. Not bad. They're good shampoo and conditioner. The next product is from Sunday Riley. This is their Autocorrect Brightening and Depuffing Eye Contour Cream. I'm kind of excited to try this. And then I have what looks like a very small sample of something called More Brows. This is from Model Company. It looks like an eyebrow gel, and it is. Oh, it's got fibers in it. Now I'm excited to try that. Hopefully that's good. Okay, and then the last item in this box is from Arizona. Is it from Arizona? No, it's from oh, I don't know what that's from. What? Proenza Schuler, and it's a perfume. Jeez Louise. Just a little perfume sample. I literally have like 1,000, not 1,000. I have a lot of these, so I'm just gonna toss it right in that drawer with the rest of them. Lots of them. I don't even use them. I think I should probably start using those. All right, that wraps up my Birchbox. Okay, so the next box that I'm gonna unbox for you is BoxyCharm. Now, BoxyCharm is by far my favorite subscription box that I get. I love it because the value of these boxes is always so much more than what you're paying. And it's good stuff. The stuff that you get is actually stuff you would want to buy. So you pay $21.99 a month for BoxyCharm. Okay, so in this month's box, we got a Pharmacy Clean Bee facial cleanser, and it looks like this. I do like this brand a lot, so I'm kind of excited to give that a try. That one is, this is $22 for this little bottle of face wash. The next product in this box is by Touch & Soul. This is their No Problem Primer. I've been excited to try this because I actually do not have that yet. This primer is $18, so already you're way past the price of the box. The next product in here is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This is a really good mascara. I already have one, but I'm, happy to have another one in my collection. Those mascaras are $24. And this looks like a highlighter. It's a highlighter. It's called Shimmering Swan. I love their packaging. The packaging from Pretty Vulgar is always so cute. But it looks like that. I don't know. We'll see. We'll have to try that out. And this highlighter is $32. That's crazy. A little bit crazy. All right, and then the last product in this box is from Trestique, and this is pretty interesting. This one is their Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. It's worth $25. It looks like this, but I saw somebody else in a video with this, and it's magnetic. Like, watch this. It's so cool. I'm easily amused. I can't help it. But anyway, this is just a lip crayon. It's got, you can twist it up. Pretty color. And then on the bottom, you're supposed to prime your lips with that. It just looks like chapstick, or like, that's kind of what it feels like a chapstick or something. So, I don't know. I mean, overall, I feel like that's a pretty decent box. I'm excited to have this. I'm excited to have the primer. I'm excited to have the cleanser because I needed another cleanser. And I do like Pharmacy. So, all in all, not a bad month for BoxyCharm. So yeah, those are the beauty subscription boxes that I've received so far this month. I'm waiting on my Allure beauty subscription box, and I'm still waiting on my Sephora Play box. So when I get those, I can haul those for you and show those to you as well. But overall, not a bad month, I don't think. I'm pretty happy with things that I got. If you're new to stuff like that, if you don't have a beauty subscription, I would highly recommend BoxyCharm. If you want to spend $22 a month. I don't think that's too pricey. If you're not willing to spend $22 a month, my next choice would be Ipsy, just because you can personalize it with the quiz that they give you, and they do give you a wide range of stuff to try. So that wraps up this video, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and watching my beauty subscription unboxings. If you like this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Leave me some feedback. Give me some comments down below. Let me know what else you'd like to see from me. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.